World Migratory Bird Day WMBD. World Migratory Bird Day 2023 is a global event celebrated twice a year, each with a unique focus. This year, the fall celebration falls on 13th May and October 14, 2023. This day highlights the importance of migratory birds and their conservation efforts. Theme for the year 2023 is water sustaining wildlife. In 1993, the United States initiated the idea of day decided to migratory birds. It was a joint effort by the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, Smithsonian Migratory Bird Center, and the Cornell Laboratory of Ornithology.